Experience high-performance aerial photography and videography with the best drones on the market. Equipped with advanced features like 4K cameras, GPS navigation, and obstacle detection, these drones provide clear, stable shots and smooth flying experiences for beginners and pros alike. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best drones you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The DJI Mini 3 makes an ideal entry-level drone for those looking to capture high-quality photos and videos without breaking the bank. With its 4K camera, it offers clear, vivid footage, and the f1.7 aperture performs well even in low light, allowing for impressive shots during dawn or dusk flights. Weighing just under 250 grams, the Mini 3 avoids FAA registration requirements, making it a hassle-free choice for beginners. Featuring a remarkable 38-minute battery life, this drone can cover plenty of ground before needing a recharge. For extended sessions, DJI's Intelligent Flight Battery Plus boosts flight time to a generous 51 minutes, though this requires FAA registration. The Mini 3 also includes essential flight and image stabilization features, along with an intuitive controller ensuring smooth and steady footage. While it lacks the obstacle avoidance technology of higher-end models, it still offers essential smart flight modes, allowing users to capture cinematic shots with ease. Lightweight, portable, and user-friendly, the DJI Mini 3 is an excellent choice for hobbyists wanting to explore drone photography. With its solid build and key features, this drone delivers a valuable experience in compact form. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro raises the bar in aerial photography, enhancing the capabilities of the Air 3 with a powerful 3-camera setup. Its primary camera, a 24mm equivalent wide-angle Hasselblad lens, features a 4/3 sensor that captures stunning detail and vibrant color. Complementing this is a dual telephoto lens system, a 70mm equivalent with a 1/1.3-inch sensor, and a 166mm equivalent with a 1/2-inch sensor. This trio gives users versatile shooting options, whether capturing wide landscapes or close-up details from afar. The Mavic 3 Pro's larger main sensor excels in various lighting conditions, making it an ideal choice for both daylight and low-light shoots. This high-resolution sensor produces images rich in detail, giving editors more data to refine in post-processing. For videographers, the Mavic 3 Pro records at an impressive 5.1K resolution, delivering vivid, color-accurate footage. With a solid 43-minute battery life, it ensures prolonged shooting sessions without frequent recharges, though a top competitor slightly surpasses it in longevity. This drone merges high-quality optics with a durable, long-lasting battery, making it a remarkable tool for creators wanting professional-level imaging from the sky. The DJI Air 3 elevates aerial photography with dual cameras that provide varied focal lengths, perfect for travelers capturing stunning landscapes and unique perspectives. With its 48 megapixels image resolution, this drone allows you to crop photos while preserving high detail, making every shot breathtakingly crisp. For immersive videos, the Air 3 records in 4K at 60 FPS HDR, delivering vibrant colors and lifelike details that add depth to your footage. Safety is prioritized through omnidirectional obstacle sensing, ensuring you can navigate challenging environments worry-free. This feature, combined with FAA Remote ID compliance, makes the Air 3 a reliable choice for responsible flying. The powerful O4 HD transmission system, supported by 6 antennas, provides stable video feeds in 1080p at 60 frames per second up to 12.4 miles, ensuring real-time clarity even during long-distance flights. For a seamless experience, download the latest DJI Fly app directly from DJI's website, as it is no longer on Google Play. With smooth flights, incredible image quality, and FAA compliance, the DJI Air 3 is designed for creators seeking a versatile, high-performance drone that captures professional-grade aerial shots and immersive travel memories. The DJI Mini 4 Pro redefines drone photography with its ultra-lightweight design, coming in at under 249 grams, allowing you to fly registration-free for personal use. Crafted for the adventurer, this drone ensures effortless transportation, letting you capture every moment without delay. When the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus is activated, the drone meets the new Remote ID requirements, a bonus for commercial flyers. Capture mesmerizing 4K 60 FPS HDR vertical videos, ideal for flawless sunrise, sunset, and nighttime visuals. Share content seamlessly, directly from the drone without needing edits. With omnidirectional obstacle sensing, pilots of all skill levels can fly confidently, reducing collision risk and enhancing safety across diverse terrains. Battery anxiety becomes a thing of the past, as the extended battery life allows prolonged flight sessions, enabling uninterrupted exploration of stunning landscapes. Enjoy real-time FHD video transmission over 12 miles, providing sharp, lag-free visuals for immersive aerial views. The Mini 4 Pro's Active Track 360-degree feature lets you set customized tracking paths, offering intuitive control for smooth, professional-quality video, even for beginners. Packed with intelligent features, this drone transforms every flight into an unforgettable aerial adventure. The DJI Air 3S is a dual-camera drone crafted for travel photographers looking to capture breathtaking detail from above. Equipped with a 1-inch CMOS primary camera and a 70mm medium telephoto camera, each offering up to 14 stops of dynamic range, this drone ensures crisp, vibrant shots whether you're snapping vast landscapes or intricate portraits. Both cameras support free panorama, allowing dynamic range and custom shooting options that adapt to every scene. One of the standout features is its Nightscape omnidirectional obstacle sensing, providing reliable navigation in low-light conditions. Coupled with the next-gen smart return to home, the Air 3S enhances safety, precision, and convenience, even during nighttime flights. This advanced RTH system smartly navigates to avoid obstacles, delivering peace of mind for adventurous captures. With a 45-minute max flight time and a remarkable 12 miles video transmission range, the DJI Air 3S gives pilots extended freedom and control. The drone supports 4K 60 FPS HDR video, producing vivid footage with true-to-life colors. Engineered for those who want to make every shot count, the DJI Air 3S redefines the potential for aerial photography. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.